Before modern toys and machines, children built their own vehicles from nature itself, using giant sunflower stalks, rope, and wood. They created primitive rolling carts by hand. No engines, no metal, only creativity and survival knowledge passed through generations. These forgotten wagons were more than toys. They taught balance, movement, and how to build with almost nothing. Across forgotten villages of Eastern Europe and the Balkans, this lost tradition survived for centuries. A forgotten piece of rural engineering, almost erased by time.